What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, everybody? We're gonna backtrack in time and open a 2018 Donruss baseball. I found this is a hobby box that I found at the lowest price I've ever seen it, and I still really dig the 18 rookies. So I thought I'd take a chance because you do get 3 hits in here. It's 3 autos or mem. You know, probably going to be 1 auto and 2 mem, but the autograph checklist in here is not bad at all. There's potential for some really big names. So when I saw this at the best price ever, I thought, what's the harm? You know, at the very least, I should get some decent rookies out of this. And possibly these, you know, the base set has the variation cards too, so maybe some rookie variations. So we'll see. Let's get into it. We're starting off with an Ohtani Foundations to $9.99. This would have been an incredibly desirable card when Donruss was released in 18. Now it's still a very likable card, but nothing near as crazy as it would have been then. Dominic Smith, rated rookie. Here's an Abreu, black and white. Variation, black and white. Flexen, Dandy Defenders, and Simmons. Seager, Donaldson. These are the, what was this, 83 reprint, I think it was. We'll probably end up with a bunch of those. Tyler Mahle. Is this a black and white? Does this, I don't remember. There was a different parallel. It is a variation. But the Abreu black and white was like completely black and white. I don't remember. There was something about this card, and of course I don't remember. Paul Blackburn, rated rookie. Commerce Comet, which is Mickey Mantle. Carew Hap. Springer reprint. Montgomery. Kershaw. Moncada Diamond Kings. Chris Bryant. There's my first jersey card. About what I expected. Most people ended up with these promising pro materials. So, I mean, but you're really not in this for the jersey cards. You're hoping for a good auto here. Carpenter reprint. Lindor. 2A Diamond Kings. Another filler card. Beanie Baseball, Benintendi variation. I don't know. I keep wanting to call them short prints, but I don't think they were like. I don't remember. I think the odds were like, weren't they about the same as base cards, or just barely an SP? Like 1 in 2 packs or something like that, I think. The Kraken, Gary Sanchez variation. Chris Bryant, a Clint Frazier autograph. That's not bad. I like him. So, not too bad. That probably will be the only auto, though. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky and get 2 autos, but I bet you anything it's going to be 2 mem. I needed these filler cards. Ryan Express, Nolan Ryan. Rosario, a Altuve variation. Oh my lord, it was flipping. Motown Mashers, Zach Cozart. Joe Morgan. That is a variation of Mike Trout. Millville Meteor. Harper, Mookie, Aaron Judge. Lots of stars in that pack. Clayton Kershaw Elite Series to 349. So it's a color variation parallel. That's pretty nice. Mike Trout reprint. George Brett, black and white, I guess. Ozzie Albies. Show Ray for Carlos Correa. All right. Excuse me. Actually, let me make room. All right. Now we can move on. Do some housekeeping. Trey Turner, Dustin Fowler. There's Eddie Matthews, 12-time All-Star. Nice looking Aaron Judge. Card stuck to that. Another Aaron Judge variation. Rookie of the Year. Rizzo. Didi. Castillo. American Pride Sean Weimer to $9.99. Rizzo, Nolan Ryan, Puckett variation, Reese Hoskins rookie. Another good pack for Stars. Kyle Seager. Oh, come on. There's Larry Wayne, also known as Chipper Jones. There's Clint Frazier's rated rookie. Oh, there's my man, Mike Piazza. Here is a Benintendi career stat line to 274. Good looking card there. I love those. Big Hurt, Frank Thomas. There is a Nolan Ryan teal parallel to 199. That's not bad at all. It's the regular version, but that's okay. Nice. So far, my inserts and parallels have been very decent. There's Sandberg. Cannot complain. And if that ends up being my only auto, I'm okay with it. It's alright. These boxes don't cost an arm and a leg. I guess this is a sepia parallel, I guess. Walker Buehler, rated rookie. Corey Seager, Mike Trout, Diamond Kings. Verdugo rookie. Buzzing right on through. Benintendi again, Moncada reprint. Bellinger, Benintendi, Paxton. We have a Miguel Cabrera career stat line slugging percentage to 500. Again, another good insert slash parallel. Klubot, there is a sepia Chris Bryant variation at that. Not bad. Mickey Mantle reprint. Yeah, this has been a very solid box. Not outstanding, but very solid. Manny Machado Elite Series to 249. So a parallel version of that. Robles rookie. Sorry, gotta make room again. Crowded myself in here with surrounded by boxes of cards. Of course, that's not a bad problem to have. Not in my world for sure. And I assume not in yours either. Alright, last four. Still looking for one more hit. Kaylan Devers, rated rookie. Oh, here it comes. Chris Bryant, Seager, Carew. It's a boring one again. At least it's the camo. That helps a little bit. But, I mean, yeah, the jersey cards could have been better for sure. George Brett. There's a Ripken variation. Last pack. Charlie Blackmon variation. Oh, it's the teal. $1.99. Another solid name for a parallel insert. Bellinger, Rizzo. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all, especially for what I paid for this. Like I said, it was the best price I've ever seen these offered at. I know that Panini has limits on what they will allow resellers to sell their products at. And I didn't even think that they would allow this box to be sold that. Now, you know, I guess on eBay, there's nothing that Panini can do about it, but this was one of the major retailers, so I was a little bit surprised. But anyways, I'm rambling on. It was pretty good value for what I paid. A pretty solid box, like I said. I'd like to have had a little bit better game use cards, but what are you gonna do? So anyways, thanks for watching. Everybody take care of yourself. I'll see you again soon.